Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
Well, actually yesterday I woke up and I noticed that the lower part of my back was starting to hurt. It's like right in through here.
Okay.
And then when I started to stand up and walk, I was limping, and I had pain that was coming around the side, down my leg, all the way through to my foot.
How much pain from 0 to 10?
It was anywhere between a 4 and a 5.
4 and 5? Okay.
And it seemed to be more aggravated. In the car, I have a lumbar seat, so when I was going to work, and it was pushing on the back here, it really started to hurt pretty
I will
bad.
avoid that. I don't think it's the lumbar support is a good idea.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's better to...
in the seat, I can't.
Oh, you cannot change that? Okay.
I tried to deflate it and it won't.
No, okay.
So, of course, going to work and such, it aggravates that. And then I sit as a profession. I'm a front desk administrator.
Okay.
And I noticed that just in sitting, it really aggravated it a lot. I had a lot of pain coming from this side of my...
How much was sitting from 0 to 10?
With sitting, it's still about a 5.
5? Okay.
Yeah.
And your pain been constant?
It comes and goes depending on my position.
Okay. So what else aggravate your symptoms?
Facing forward or
bending forward. Okay.
It kind of puts a strain on the back
Okay.
here. So it's been a little aggravated anytime I have to bend forward for anything, like make a copy or run a credit card or any of those things.
So that's happened yesterday?
Yes, sir.
And how did you do that? Did you hurt yourself, like fall or anything, or any accidents?
I just woke up like that.
You just woke up like that. Have you had any treatment for that?
I have not.
Okay. So the pain, is it sharp, dull, aching? How we describe it?
It's a dull aching, but it's a persistent pain. So, yeah, it's more of like an ache.
Okay.
And then if I move a certain way that'll aggravate it, it's like, a sharp pain.
Sharp snapping. So you feel it in the back, the sharp pain, or sharp shooting down to your legs?
It's actually in the localized area in the back.
In the back.
The little glute.
Okay.
Here.
So what you do that going down to your legs? What motion? That's
it's
really
sitting.
Sitting. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other motion?
It feels like it's numb on this side of my leg.
Okay.
But then I have a constant ache.
Constant ache.
That runs down my
and the calf.
If I put a lot of pressure on this side, it aggravates. So I favor it. I don't put my
let's stand.
Weight on it.
Let's stand and tell me how much pain.
Okay.
And actually, we're gonna turn this way, and we'll have you. And you said bending forward too. Okay. So let's do the bending and mark in your legs how much pain when you feel it. Just to stop when the pain increased.
So right about here.
Okay. How much from 0 to 10?
It's still about a 5.
5. Okay. Let's go backward. Extend. Anything with that?
Yeah, it's more tight.
A
little more pain.
And let me know with any motion if sharp pain going down to your legs. Okay.
It hasn't gone down yet.
Okay. So let's twist to the left and right.
Okay. I just feel it in the center of my back.
Okay.
My shoulder blades.
And the other side.
Same thing. Feel it in the back of my shoulder blades. But
Shoulder blade. Okay. So what about side bend, left and right? So the worst position is bending forward, yeah?
And backwards.
Or backwards?
Yeah, right here. I feel it
very tight.
across this side.
So all across the back.
Not on this side. When I was going this way, it seemed to pinch more on the right side.
And that's dull pain?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Let's do. That's a little bit high.
And then this way.
So at worst, how much? Yeah. At worst, how much when you did those motions?
It's not so bad. At worst, this side was about a 6.
6, and going backward is the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So and standing like right now, how much?
On this side, I'm feeling about a 3.
3. Okay. All right. That's medical history. Like, did you have this issue before? What kind of treatment you had? And
for this particular situation, I really haven't experienced this before. I had seen chiropractors before in the past, but it was mostly for upper neck issues. But my low back's been pretty good, except for now.
That's good.
Yeah, it feels really tight.
You feel the tightness there?
Yeah.
You're comfortable in this position?
Yeah.
Right on your spine, actually.
Yeah, I know.
Right on your spine. A lot of scar tissue here. Here too. So you said like on the right side of your mid back or the left or both?
It's mostly on this side. And it kind of carries across my hip and glute area.
Yeah, I can actually see the map of your scar tissue here.
Yeah.
Where the redness. Okay. Is it okay to work on your neck?
Sure.
Okay, do you want to like give like a brief history about your neck surgery?
It was about 3 years ago. I had two tumors removed from the base of my brain stem and spinal cord. And I do have a big scar back there, but for the most part, it seems like it's always really kind of tight on the left side. It was even before the surgery and more so since the surgery. But it's like right in here, I have a scar tissue bump.
You do have a scar tissue here.
Yeah.
Scar tissue. That's a
And that really irritates and causes I get headaches from it when it's really aggravated.
Is that too much here?
No, it's fine.
They did not put any hardware, did they?
No. It was just a mesh. But yeah, I get a lot of headaches from that.
Do you have headache today?
I do not.
So all of that.
So forward.
How far you used to go down, like normally?
Normally I can go down pretty far. Actually, I'm already beyond where I was before.
Your normal is touching the floor?
My normal here.
That's your normal?
That's about my normal.
Oh, okay. So you don't touch the floor. Okay.
No.
So how does that feel? Do you want to touch the floor?
I would love to touch
We might do it in another video. So.
As far as backwards. Wow.
Going further now.
Wow. Yeah.
Are you trying to show off now?
No, but
How's that? Okay.
wow.
Twist left and right.
Still feel it just a little bit right here.
Mm-hmm.
Not like it was.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see that?
Yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that. That's a full range of motion. That's awesome.
Wow. It's a little tight going this way though. Yeah.
But no pain.
Just tightness.
Yeah, because I need to work on your neck a little bit.
Okay.
We'll do that later. So let's do the side bend. How's that? Because that's a side you complained it was 7 or 6.
Tight, but not painful.
Okay. Yeah. As long as you don't feel pain, that's fine.
I feel like I'm going a little bit.
You're going further. Yeah, you're touching your knee now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any symptoms or everything is
It's just
is fine? Just tightness, not
The
pain.
pain isn't like what it was.
Where do you feel the tightness?
It's mostly across the back here
Mm-hmm.
and then across here.
Yeah, I'm gonna do other work to relieve that, but my concern is now was the pain when you came here.
My leg still has a little bit of tingling.
Where?
It mostly seems to be back here in the back and a little bit over here.
How much from 0 to 10?
It's about a 1 to 2.
Oh, so went down, yeah?
Yeah.
Um,
So if I'm comparing between legs, you know, this one's not tingling,
mhm.
but this one kind of still.
Show me to me again. Where's the tingling?
I'm feeling it a little bit back here
Mm-hmm.
and a little bit back here and right here.
Yeah. Is the chair is really pushing in that area?
Uh-huh.
So you need to elevate your.
That's why I was trying to bring my feet up.
Yeah. Because you're gonna cause constant like pushing here.
Uh-huh.
That will cause inflammation, scar tissue, tightness, and fascia restrictions. So make sure the chair is not pushing it. Let's feel better now. Feel that?
Yeah. It's a lot looser.
A lot looser. Let's get this straight. Okay. Yeah.
But yeah, this down here,
Mm-hmm.
wow,
Mm-hmm.
much better.
Bending forward, we can do testing again. Bending forward, see how that feel. It's nice.
Yeah.
You're maintaining the range of motion.
That's crazy.
Now you can
That hurt so bad before.
don't do flips here, okay? We don't want to do that in the camera.
Crazy.
Yeah.
How did you find this?
Find what?
What you do?
Well, it's well, I had to find a solution for a problem because I was frustrated for myself and for patients that they did not respond to traditional approaches. So I had to think out of the box.
Definitely.
Yeah, and learn anatomy very well. So.
Such a blessing.
Yeah, so what do you think about ASTR treatment, just what we did in a few minutes?
I'm impressed.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.